Hi guys, welcome to another vlog, and today is a very rainy and pleasant day to go out. And if you live in Delhi, you know that this is the best time to explore central Delhi, because otherwise rest of the time either it is way too cold or it is way too hot. And even though I'm living in Delhi for many years, there are still so many places to explore in Delhi that you cannot imagine. And आज हम अपनी खुद की गाड़ी से गए थे after very long time, so it was another experience. Like imagine you are in central Delhi and this rainy weather, and you are long driving. Such a dream it is, and ये I think सब करते हैं, and because of that there is so much of car recordings everywhere. वीडियो पे गाने भी इतने मस्त मस्त चल रहे थे, like I can't even tell you. या तो फिर ये मौसम का असर है कि गाने अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Guys, we are finally at Lodi Art District and the weather is quite amazing, and this is the wall in front of which I am standing in, and it's pretty red, and this is the fit denim skirt, frocks and kitty locket, and these kind of my all-time earrings, pastel clips, pastel shirt, and one bracelet that my brother gave me in Raksha Bandhan. It has Kuromi over here, so it's kind of cute. So the place is revealed, which is Lodi Art District, which is full of graffiti wall art. We always wanted to come here, but because of the sunny weather, we never dared to do that. This place is called most Instagram worthy place because there is colored walls all over here. I'm really loving the weather and walking like this as if I'm in some hill station. It's all green and you can see flowers like this anywhere, and I'm in Crocs and you can see the beautiful walls like these. There's no bounded space, there's no ticket, there's no time duration. You just walk and explore and have fun as much as you like. What a wonderful day. That's my mom crossing the road, and my father is busy about taking care of the car. I don't know, walking like this in nature heals something inside me. Just walking and walking, and there's nobody around. It's just so peaceful and healing for some reason. It's a perfect cityscape place when you're doing 5 days of corporate job and you are like having a monotonous job, so you come here and explore this place like a tourist, even though you're in your own city, and have fun. Also, many people ask why do we not bring our brother, which is my brother, to places like this, and the answer is because he doesn't want to, because we click a lot of pictures and he doesn't like that. So he prefers sitting in front of laptop and gaming. उल्टा पुल्टा लगा दिया. Am I still shooting, guys? It's kind of leafy over here. It's like autumn and spring at the same time. Wow, I never knew this weather I could experience in Delhi. Suddenly it's getting kind of crowded over here. Mona Lisa. If you're coming here to see the beauty of these walls, then you have to wander a lot, walk a lot. So I'm telling you beforehand. Also, there are government quarters behind these walls, so let me tell you that as well. इसी तरह हम हर जगह जाते जा रहे हैं, दीवारें ढूंढते जा रहे हैं. So pretty, 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 pretty. Or there are many flowers right now as well. There were red flowers just now, and so much of greenery. Oh, I think I scared them. In video, apparently they don't look as grand as they are, but they are humongous, humongous. That was the song that was in my mind. That's why I didn't cut it. So can you imagine my state of mind? That song and this place and the weather. So please मेरी edits बना देना यार, क्योंकि मैं तो मेरे को time नहीं मिलता. एंड टूरिस्ट की तरह आइसक्रीम खा के अब हम चलेंगे नेक्स्ट स्पॉट पर।
ये तो पापा रायता पका रहे हैं, कहीं जाने को तैयार नहीं है। दिवाली नहीं है, छुट्टी वाली
के साथ फंस गए।
वो पापा को मजा नहीं आ रही। कहाँ है यहाँ पे कुछ और है?
Guys, we are finally seeing the sunset while doing the long drive at this beautiful place with all the greenery.
ये लगा देखो, ये लगा।
After Lodhi Art District, we are here at Lodhi Gardens again, just like last time. Someone is playing the guitar inside. It's kind of dark, but somebody is playing music. Too many birds. अभी नहीं दिखेंगे when I turn the camera, but there are too many groups of birds like that. There are many. Just like that, आँखों ही आँखों के सामने हो गई शाम, and the colors of the sky were changing so beautifully in front of my eyes every time, and we still had a walk to explore more of the Lodhi garden, like to visit every spot and not miss any spot, even though we have been here already, but still. अब हम आ गए हैं लास्ट स्पॉट ऑफ द डे, विच इज़ हैबिट एरिया, विच इज़ सिचुएटेड एट नेचुरल हैबिटेट सेंटर फूड कोर्ट। द ऑर्डर नंबर डिस्प्लेज हियर और वी हैव दिस ऑर्डर नंबर। और फिर हम बीटरूट कबाब और छोले भटूरे और राइस जैसे अत्यंत व्यंजन चख कर गए और घर चले गए।